Hello students. So just after Symbiosis, another popular college down south at Bangalore, that is the Christ University, has come up with its admission policy. So let's look at the eligibility criteria, the exam pattern, the courses and the various campuses that Christ University has, and its fees and the placements. So let's look at it first, eligibility criteria. So if you have passed your grade 12 from any recognized board, you are eligible for Christ University. But if you are an IB board student, then you require 3 HL and 3 SL subjects with 24 credits in your grade 11 and 12. Let's look at the important dates for this exam. So first exam of Christ University is going to be held on 6th of April and the last date to register for that is 29th of March. The second exam is going to be held on 9th of May and the last day to register for that exam is 29th of April. So let's look at the selection process for Christ University. Now it consists of 4 rounds. The first round, as mentioned, is your assessment test, which is your aptitude based test that is going to be held on 6th of April or on 9th of May. The second round is a skill assessment test where a student will be given a topic and the student has to write on that topic. The third is a micro presentation where a student will be given an impromptu topic and the student has to speak on that topic. And the last is a personal interview round for 10 minutes. Now stage 2, 3 and 4, that is the assessment test and the micro presentation and interview, will be held at the campuses of Christ University, that is one of the 6 campuses or some selected cities, whereas the aptitude test is going to be a center-based test. For the April month, the micro presentation, interview and skill assessment is going to be taken place from 11th April to 15th April. Whereas for the exam of May month, the same dates are 15th May to 18th May. Here one important thing is their entrance exam is not an elimination process. That means a student will be judged based on the collective marks of all the 4 parameters. And even if a student gets rejected in the April month exam, he is still eligible to reapply and get selected via the exam in the month of May. Now there are various undergraduate courses available in Christ University and the entrance exam for different courses varies a little bit. Let's focus on the entrance exam for BBA and courses under BBA. So it has 6 sections which has total of 120 questions and it's a 90-minute test. The 6 sections are English having 25 questions, General Knowledge having 20 questions, Fundamental Accounting which has 10 questions, Reasoning which has 25 questions, Maths 20 questions and Data Analysis and Interpretation another 20 questions. Now please note that the entrance exam is going to be held in almost all Tier 2 cities, the list which you can find it on the website of Christ University. However, the second round is going to be held in some selected cities which are Bangalore, all of its campuses, Pune, Delhi, Kolkata, Visakhapatnam, Secunderabad and Siliguri. Christ University has 6 campuses. 4 campuses out of this are in Bangalore, including the Central Campus, which is their flagship campus. And there are 3 other campuses by the name of Kengari, Yashwantpur and Banarkatta. There is 1 campus in Pune, Lavasa, and the last campus which is in Delhi, NCR. Christ University offers 9 specializations under BBA. Now let's look at which campus offers which specialization. The BBA flagship or the BBA honors as we call it comes under Central Campus, Yashwantpur Campus, Kengari Campus and Delhi Campus. Another popular BBA in data science that was also there in the Central Campus. BBA Tourism and Travel Management is at Banarkatta Campus. BBA Finance and International Business runs at Banarkatta and Yashwantpur Campus. BBA in Business Analytics takes place in Pune, Lavasa. BBA Finance and Marketing Analytics takes place in Yashwantpur and NCR campus. BBA FinTech runs only in the NCR campus. BBA Strategy and Business Analytics takes place in Banarkatta, Yashwantpur and NCR campus. The fee structure for various programs across the campuses ranges from 2.6 to 2.7 lakhs per annum for the first 3 years, whereas the fees for the 4th year is approximately 3.5 to 3.8 lakhs per annum. And the placements, when we see for the last year, approximately is around 6 lakhs per annum. This is considering the Bangalore Central campus. At Ekoching, we have 10 specialized mocks designed for the Christ University entrance test. We prepare students exclusively for their interview rounds and the skill assessment tests and the micro presentation. And last year, we had approximately around 25 students who converted the Christ main central campus. Any of those who are interested in these exams or in the crash course for IPM and other BBA courses, they may get in touch with us at the below contact details. Thank you.